Gang, welcome back to the channel, gang. You already know what's going on. It's your boy Six, man. I know, man. It's been a hot little minute since I've been active on the channel, gang. I'm gonna go ahead and explain to y'all. Look, I've been out of town. I was on vacation. I went to New York. I was in Alabama for a football game. I was in Florida. I just been on some little vacations, some little trips and whatnot. You know, I haven't really had time to get to the content. School just started back up. I've been working on some other investments, things like that. But obviously, as y'all know, we still active on the channel, gang. We always gonna be active. I'm never gonna stop with this channel, gang. The whip still needs to be wrapped, and y'all know I got the F30 right here with me, gang. Stop playing, man. What I'm about to show y'all, guys, I'm about to show y'all what we about to work on today. So today I'm about to head over to my dog Will's spot, and there's one specific part that I'm about to change out on the F30. It's not broken. It's not like it needs to be fixed currently. Pine straw all up in the whip. This part that I'm about to fix, it's not like it needs to be fixed currently. Like, well, actually, yes, indeed, it does. It does need to be fixed, actually. What I'm about to change out today, guys, is I'm about to install a new drive belt, new drive belt and pulley kit. You look down here at my drive belt, guys. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but these lines that you see running down the drive belt, lines you see going down, up and down it, those lines mean that that's the drive belt wearing down, and that drive belt can rip and tear and shred up into pieces and basically ruin your engine. It can definitely ruin your engine. My boy Will, that I'm about to go over right now and go see, his drive belt literally ripped into shreds while he was driving on the highway one night. And luckily he just pulled over and stopped driving, and his car went into limp mode, but he pulled over and stopped driving. But had he kept driving, he definitely could have messed his engine up a lot worse. Like, I'll probably show you guys when I go over there. His drive belt is literally ripped into shreds. So what we're about to do today is we're gonna, you know, just pull the intake out, get whatever we need to get out the way, and then just change that drive belt out and that pulley kit. So I got a little kit from FCB Euro. It's in the whip right now. That's what we finna do today, gang. So I just want to tap back in with y'all and make sure y'all know I'm still here, gang. We about to get the whip wrapped. Probably the next video, honestly, might be me starting the process of wrapping the whip. I'm about to order the vinyl now, like probably this week now. Now I got the funds and just had to make it. That's why I was gone for a little minute. I had to set some things up. I had to get some things going, handle some business, do some things like that. And now I think we're ready, gang. So this is the F30, man. We'll have an update on it soon. We'll be wrapped soon. Y'all know the vibes, man. The F30 is looking beautiful, gang. I don't even have a wash, and it's still looking pretty clean right now, honestly. You guys tell me what y'all think, but yeah, gang. That's what we got going today. I'm about to slide to Will's spot. I'm gonna grab some coffee, probably grab me something to eat, because I'm starving this morning. It's getting chilly in Atlanta. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I guess we'll see about that, gang. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to Will's spot, gang. You already know the vibes, man. Catch y'all when we get there, gang. Let's get it. All right, gang, we here right now. We just pulled up the Will spot, man. Gang out here. This is drive belt kit, man. I'm about to go ahead and get started. Basically, I'm about to just take the intake out, just pull the intake out the way, take the whole thing out. And Will gonna come help me out a little bit with the install or the drive belt, because he knows exactly what to do. Pull it goes. Will, say what up to the channel.
What up?
Ron.
Going on, crazy fools.
So I hear you dipping her again today?
Yeah, man. Trying to get her clean so we can dip her. Just cleaned her yesterday. They throwing salt all over the highway, so now she's dirty again.
Word. I was just driving through the salt. It's about to snow out here in Atlanta, man. Will, you still got that? You still got your old drive belt? Your old drive belt, the one that was ripped up into shreds. Oh, you threw it away? Yeah, but Will he had to change his drive belt on this. So
I got pictures of it though.
435. Oh, you got pictures? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to throw some pictures in this video of what his looked like. It was literally ripped into shreds. Like, it literally looked like this. But yeah, gang, I'm gonna pop this intake out. We're gonna get this quick install in. You already know how we rocking. Intake out. Pulley system, it's the drive belt, it's the old drive belt.
There's so many people here, man. I do got right over, man.
So Will just popped off the drive belt. Go ahead and change out this pulley right here. Yeah, this the new. That's the old. Y'all see it. Drive belt look the same way.
Look
Old dry belt. Look at that. It's cracking. It's cracking.
I can see it from here.
Yeah.
I told him, I said, man, yours worse than Ron's. This what it's supposed to look like. Look.
Sturdy. Yeah, that's nice and yeah.
You
was cracking for real.
Hard.
You was close.
He was close.
That's why I was like, let me go ahead and order this little kit. It was only $80. It was only $80.
Everything I've been playing with, I'm like, man, change your belt. Change that belt. I'm telling you, change it. They want to ride around, sliding.
You pulling that belt hard, boy.
Yeah.
That belt be stretching.
Sheesh.
Man, you was right on the edge of catastrophe, man. Like, for real, you was about to have some problems. This is your belt tensioner, and I'm trying to get tension off of here. What the hell?
It just broke off?
Yeah.
What the? Is there another one?
It's the piece that goes right there.
Yeah, that's that right there.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Connected on there.
That shit just like, pow.
What the hell?
You put this one back on.
So boom. This is the new belt tensioner. And as we was trying to get it to
Trying to pull the pin out.
so we could get the dry belt actually on to the I guess the harness or whatever. And the screw broke off. It broke off into the look, it broke off into the breaker bar. The screw broke off. So
We're just gonna take this one off and put it on the other one because this is what
take
you
the
want.
wheel. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we'll take the wheel off because
Yeah.
this is really all we
Yeah.
need. And then we're just gonna put it on the other one, onto this one, the old one basically, because the screw is still intact. But yeah, that's what just happened from FCP Euro. This
Brand new out the box.
dry belt components. Ah, just had the new dry belt on. So basically, this bolt right here that broke. This is the old assembly, the dry belt component. We just kept we switched over the new wheel. We switched over this new wheel, and then we switched over the dry belt. But basically, when Will he would add tension to this piece right here, and this piece, this whole silver piece would shift here to the left, and it will allow him to put the belt onto these where it needs to be. So yeah,
We got new stretch bolts. These bolts, you can only use them one time. They're one-time use bolts.
So this is my old belt. See these cracks and everything in here? That means your belt's about to go. So check your belt. If you see white lines on the outside, it's just kind of giving it away. You can tell that it's getting ready to go. I just advise y'all to make this change just for safety precautions. If you're planning on, you about to do a tune, you about to add power, this, that, and the third, even just for regular driving, because your belt can go out for regular driving. I don't have a tune, and my belt was finna go out, so definitely had to do that.
Stay on top of that maintenance.
Wise words from Will, man. Stay on top of the maintenance, man. I'm about to throw the intake back in and we Gucci. It's getting cold. It's about to snow tonight. My hands are frozen. FCP Euro parts are breaking. Okay. There you got it, man. New dry belt running perfectly. The car started off beautifully. I just cleaned off, wiped off the engine bay. All right, guys, there you have it. Got the new dry belt installed. Got the new tensioner wheel on there as well. Unfortunately, we had some issues with the actual tensioner component with the 3 screws, but we was able to get everything installed. Everything's in there right. Everything's good. Got the intake back installed just now. Everything is great, gang. F30 is looking great. I appreciate y'all for tapping in as usual. How y'all think about the F30 right now? Unwrapped, multicolored, unpainted bumpers, everything, the whole 9 gang. This is my F30. I'm glad y'all are joining me for the ride that we taking, gang. The wrap is on the way. The wrap is coming soon. Y'all already know that. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, gang. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, gang. Subscribe if this video helped you out. definitely want to change this. Definitely want to change this part on your F30. If you're close to 60,000 miles and this part hasn't been changed, I advise you to change it, because my bro, he freaking ripped his drive belt to shreds, and he's at the same amount of mileage as me, basically. Almost. I'm almost at 60 now. So yeah, gang, it's your boy 6. I appreciate y'all for tapping in to this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. Let's get it.